TV mbetikie muthenya wa kunothite na mbere owega inkugwate ugeni Nteto ni cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja umuthi ni tariki 29 mweri wa kanana mwaka wa 2023 ni mbetagwa Christine Wanjeru. Tukiambiriria Nteto ni citu ni ati ni kiriga nyuma ya mwiri wa muntu burume wa ukuru wa gatagati ati kumenyekana kwithirwa wererete muburoni wa Kathita ni kirindarasha ya gitimbi ni kirakugia gukira muthenya wa umuthi. Polisi ni mayukitie mweri na kuubira kiri nyomba ya kwiga aku ya Meru level 5 na kirikana gwarete karikari ya mbere kuonekana kiri muburo uyu wa Kathita.
Acha Kathita otagai Kathita yewe Nairobi ese ato bakinya ngire mono acha kwagya nya traffic jam ikana ndi ato besere na polisi bari ngiro ni polisi atira ai besete taira tiba gotonya na ndi wezo nya polisi baire nkona babange na bo kona to bapa yangu bakotagera mtu unako kumbatete oti oyere mutegeri imbia ko kumbatete no kwendiro ito beta akuidete ende dai menyo na nto baba ingi acha akurekia msie mwenzangu ndio kwamba kwa na ni moja kwa ndio na sisi ya bora ya mando adolema ya ndio mtu wira leo ndio tuko maanda zaidi ni okana na dala ya jeta ndio ngomba bakuka tu ngaba ndo na ndio mono no to bazu no kutro wembe ona angilie mwe agaitro wembe ito tagero batwe asura ito to kurero kuku ya to jamatu to kumei bana kaina to kurero batwe to menyora to mbote to batu tenge to tigana ma to mona to baba kuta ko yau to menyora ora to no ko mbele ji bitu ekero to menyora to mbote.
Tugitigana na ino Nteto ni shingine ati Maria makuga gutina mira union ni mamenye arimi na nkinyagia abiashara na monde Maria makugwetithaniwa na mira ni makumenya kuri na union na nkinyagia kuri na otongori yao ni kuringana na arimi na biashara mamira matongoretwe ni munini wa mukarigiti wa union enu we Peter Musamaria ni nkuruki ni baria mamenerete MCA wa tene wakangeta Romano Mwito ni miario yawe ya kimya kidhiru.
Romano lojire nwe warire mbeca zetu ire mira ya milioni 40.
Romano Mwito ni MCA watene kwa igita aria miaka 10 kwa kwandi ya kangeta na uratumite manto mokira mono makonenie na irima aria mira atongeria arimi wa mana biashara bakimamanagiria kumania na miario ira aretie bakiuga kinya wewe ngwake ariogu no mogo baraba gwetua mbeca kiri ngwataniro ojamira wengwa na mbeca ngiriana mwekoroge na mbeca ngiriana na naichebo buwe ya buru chama ni nwe lechoro nwe chama ni wa mira ende kana iberu to ende barwa cheweta kuthia tambeca utokani ya member ba union torua Romano mbeca agathanania enda netate mano na bateri kuregana union mira na Romano no nwende kagwenda mbeca ira na chini chitegathiatelwe kuruki yogu baliuga no Romano wa mwena kinya Jacob Mantile ni umogo baraba kuthinambe na kuga ati batigwetigania kinya na ngwataniro eno oya arimi na biashara bamira ibamenye utongeria bure obwa ngwataniro eno na uma arimi wa mwena biashara bamira ibakwa mukira na guteya kinya tongeria ababare kiri ngwataniro eno
union keke mira kiri ngestan are kana mantu ya ponja ya kuria mbeca ira cia kuria cia murengo ari mantu ya Kenya akimnyano uitethia na atethia Meru na Kenya yonde kendelea na kaibwa miambo ege miwirirwe ele Mr. Romano Mwiti ukuma keke amene keke union woleli mutaratara yoyo bwitha che union nindi na isieke indene Kenya bibi bwithe union no leli bwari makini akiminya na to union to mira ni yendelethie na mienjira
Romano no ntwindronere oro bia korwabio ne union mwere namba wandu ketherwo into murume na eta audi union yake eye nio ya koromera mira netherwe na certificate on to
na mantile rwari rora la TV ne otuko iro rongo bora to komea bora mtola tuisie chama ni omera into lesoro na owe bro tuise bwaku nyako waku nyanti ne mote yo ekila ori na bura bonge kwendro kwira ndi kwira ibatu to athuranire na mantu yo kithurano kirathira na mtura wisekene Meru County chama ni omera into lesoro owe ngweku ne kwenda cia miunda na chama ni na ngweku ne kwenda cia miunda na ibonto tukwenda ruari kwenda ucokeria nkwira ati mutongoria wetu heshima
wini kilembagilizete egembe no thironde ndeba ezisamani wa union yonde Meru County nini ba ezisamani lechoro no esamani emira no ntone yonera atongoria kayo kama keke wetwa union keke ne irenje standi ibake watanira kyo
Kumege North Betan Class Chabari.
Rĩu naku Kiambu kwĩna mũrutĩra ũngĩ wa gĩsiasa na nĩ wa kwebereria gĩtĩ gavana Kimani wa Matangi nĩ baria ma MCA maciĩtĩtie kũmweberia nĩ kĩrĩa makuga na gũtũmĩra ũthũku ũtongoria wawe na nkinyagia mbia cia mũingĩ na atĩbirĩte kaunti ĩno na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩbatĩrie kĩwatho nĩtũmaugĩte makamũruta gĩtĩni.
Ghana has a problem with decision making. Our county chief officers have not been in place since we were elected. The advert was done last year in October. The shortlisting was done, and up to now, the members who are shortlisted have not been appointed. 1 year down the line, and that is a county that is working. So one of the problems with our governor is decision making is very poor. Our chief officers are getting 1 month contract. Every month they get a contract. Every month a contract. So it means our chief officers, our accounting officers in Kiambu County are acting as casuals. It is very sad that we can have a government that is not working. Number 2, on the issue of county executive committee members, and those are the ones we call CCs. The CC Roads resigned, was not able to work with the governor. He resigned and went home. The CC Education resigned and went home. The person who is acting the CC Roads used to be there during Waitito's time. This assembly has not vetted that person. Of roads is very dire in our county. And the governor doesn't have a CC who is competent. We have the issue of municipality management. As you are all aware, the last batch of money we got from the World Bank and the Kenya Urban Support Program, we got 1.8 billion. And I want to tell the people of Kiambu today that the boards that are supposed to be operational today are not operational. Number 1, we don't have municipal board members. Their contracts have expired since February this year. We don't have municipal board members. Their contracts have expired. We are talking about the issue of the county secretary. We had a county secretary whose contract had been extended. A very nice guy, Dr. Martin Jogu, but he was unable to work with the governor. He resigned. The chief officer who was in charge of, I think, livestock or agriculture somewhere, of cooperatives, Mr. Ndegwa, was given an acting capacity to be the county secretary. Today, as you're all aware, the work of the county secretary is to coordinate the ideas and the policies in Kiambu County. We have a county secretary who is on an acting capacity. And the county secretary is almost at the top notch in our government. And we have someone who is acting. Our government has not been constituted for the last...
Kereshienge Nteto ni atingina wa Patrick Murimi uria uratharire kirindwiro cia nkindano ya maskuru ma East Africa yonde na ugite ari na wirigiro ushindi uyu wa mwana uyu wawe ugacincia njota ya muci uyu wawe uria utwire ukiani umunini nyina uyu uria ubibagia makara ni kenda kwithirwa kirera ciana ciawe ithatu ari uga njota eno ya Murimi egwibite kwithirwa ikithara gitethereria muci uyu wawe na nkinyagia kabota kuthomithia ciana inu ciengi cionde ire muci uyu Nteto iria igwatitwe mbaru ni atori na kugati wega mathina mbere kuria thina nawe Murimi abotete kuburukia bendera ya nthi ya Kenya. Samuel Gashima niwe uri na riboti ino.
Tureno ya Ganchebere sub-county ya Tharaka North no muchie kwa banchamba ya East Africa kiri michezo ya chukuru cha secondary Patrick Murimi arabaturaga na gina Jane Gitonga na Ana Bangi bathatu barabanini kiriwe ithe akwire mianka ena mikuruku na kubatiga ukiani bunene arakinya kithomo kiri Murimi na Ana Babu Bangi kigitwe kiri ya Kinyamara
ndaure tu ndewa Murimi 2019 ithe amberia kwayo mweri wena na tutiga mweri wa kenda tariki 5 na akwire na bia Nteto ina bia twari kwendirio pikipiki twena chitwendirie na ndatigwa na ng'ombe imwe Murimi na amberia kura kuma cukuru nkathinka mucheria nkaithira ndikitwo tiri nkamwira cukuru nkamuchokia kuma agu na achokire cukuru akiriria amberia ku event ciake
gina ariuga amona kuigwa Murimi na egitwe akirutha bwega kiri machindano ma nthungutha kinya mwanka mukuruku mwanka agu ationete maumithio ma uchindi bobo
last year nathire mwanka Tanzania na achoka lakini mwana ogu otiento tonete kwega gukurukira Murimi lakini ndu bwa mwathani kura kuroraga nkwira ngai bwega no wewe ntukega kia kenda ndenia mwana uyu kiranko ithaga ikio ngayumburite kagitaka
mwana ogu Nteto cha Murimi gutangachwa ari muchethi ura aruthite bwega nkuruki kiri machindano ma mwanka ojuma East Africa kiri aritoba chukuru cha secondary imamuchokerete wirigiro ara akuromba uchindi bobo tikaurire nthi ende bomwembia cha gukiri otoro bwake amwe na bomuchujo
mbonaga ndenia TV babe na cio niontie netio ibathaga na kwa bakegwa kanyamu nionti kanyamu kabino ndotikande TV ende ndaromba no ntuba kura bakayira State House nkaigwa na pununi wogu ngayero wata kuririkana kinya Murimi anenkerwa kiakanenkerwa State House keka boka munenkera akawata gutetheri kinya babange ndena bonyuma na gutetheri talanta eno yake ekathina mbere kwekirwa mantu mega ndene uturo bwake
Nteto iraigwatiritwe na atori bago barakinya bo bakwirigira ati uchindi bobo bukagarura uturo bwa Murimi amwe na bo muchiwago
ana ube gituba kithina mono baturaga utura bo thina mono twana gina kinya makarenda athikaga na gukaba kagoto kenda thomithia na babu na itukuwa tukenete mono ta tubanture ne Ganchebere nontu bwangu genu mwana uyu arutite na ituko request mwana uyu talent yenu yake yombe gutumika gutethia barabangi benyuma na kwarua turo ba muchi wabo amona nture no yetu ituonaga na barabangi batsindaga ntotabibu bari outside country kana within the country ibatethagirwa tukona bathi bakirwa nyomba aciari babo bagakirwa nyomba aciari babo bakathomithirwa na babangi bakanenkerwa mbeti mbingi mono na tito ko request kinya tio mwana wetu akaruthirwa bara babangi baruthagirwa twewe tukenete mono taturi antu banture no ya Ganchebere
Murimi amwe na achethi Babu Bangi baririgiro choka Kenya ntugo yaro arakuri na Nteto ati baomba kuwatwa ugeni ndeni ya State House Nairobi arankruki ndeni ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi kiumia iki kuri na biatho kathumba bia kumwamukira nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya Chukaigamba Ng'ombe mbitago Samuel Gaishima
Tokyo kanyaga kuno kabanini utikadhino ako
Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa Limited ni hoteli ya kinande na ya kirathi kia iguru iria umba ukenere gitaria rutha uri na nja yaku kana core aja twina kenige kinene obwega kira kiumba kunganira antu 500 kiri kiatho o kionda jamurano na kinya mucemanio turi na nyumba cia micemanio cia kinande na kinya turi na nyumba inge indongi cia kuthire biatho ja birthday na kinya nyumba cia kumama cia kirathi kia iguru aja Kisimani Eco Resort twina guntu kwega kwa kugura mantu mwanya ja nature walk trails, ziplining, swimming pool, camping na kinya guntu kwa mishetho ya twana ruterene rwa ruginabu ituruga bia kura bibiega bia mithemba yonthe kiri uwa wenda gwika mucemanio itwithero na chai na bia kurumaniria irio bia muthenya chai ya ugoro na kinya wifi Kisimani Eco Resort turi barabarani ya Meru gwita Isiolo akwina maili 7 kilomita 11 kuma taunini ya Isiolo kugwata mantu nkuruki turiongerekire muta mutandao wetu www.kisimaniresort.com kana uturingia thimo kiri namba 0742 205 295 kana 0733 570 530. Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa Limited blends nature with modern hospitality.
Magic has hit your imagination of TV. A brand new Vitron TV with StarTimes Inside technology. New TV innovation with an inbuilt decoder that connects you to both StarTimes antenna and satellite signal. With StarTimes Inside Vitron TV, you can enjoy over 200 local and international channels. 1 month StarTimes highest bouquet for free. Automatic system update. More benefits, more affordable. StarTimes Inside Vitron TV is available in all StarTimes branches and dealers countrywide. StarTimes Inside. Entertainment inbuilt.
StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Uraigwa nkume ya Kenya Airlift Program ni mubango jurajo gutetheria aritoba Kenya kuthomera digiri mwanya cia masters nthigurune ya Amerika. Kuigwatira kanya gaka no mwanka withiro uri na grade ya C+ gwitia kiri KCSE na second class honors kiri degree ya university. Ugochiandikithia riongera mutandao jotu jwa www.kenyaairliftprogram.com. Obisi chetu iri Royal Business Park 4th floor, Njorincheke Street, Meru Town. Turingere thimo gukurukira 0703 509 493. The Kenya Airlift Program. Passion led us here. Yetu sako iri na nkuma enjaga kiri aritani aritingo gibonzo bathirikari na kinya kambuni turi na MOU nabo ya gutigira bakugarura uturo bwaku gukurukira super mapato loan. Kuma enjaga ni ati utetwa garanta, utetwa shares na no uri ruru na miaka 8 na interest ya 1% reducing balance. Kuona utungata bwa super mapato loan kana bunge turiongera branch yetu irere akwe nagwe kana waraniri na tugukurukira namba yetu edimu 07111038000 kana info@yetusako.co.ke kana www.yetusako.co.ke. Yetu Sako, your success, our pride.
Orengi nkugwate ugeni tukithi na mbere ni ati migwe ya gisiasa ni thiete na mbere kuratha munini wa governor county ni ya Meru niwe mutumantu ithingia ni baria muthenya wa umuthi uria wari MCA wa Kithi David Kaithia mamumeneretie na kuga bwe ni kiguoya na atumba gutethia governor nontu ona teonekanaga kirimicemanio ya mwingi tigaki county ngima mariuga ona atumba gutuika kionaniria gikiega ya gutethereria na gutete Meru taburia Rigathi Gachagua ethiritwe agititera thirikari rais riria atibu no mĩario iria igwatitwe mbaru ni antu wakama kuma kiego ya ntobocio maria marutite mĩario ino makimwiraga na atige kumenereria governor.
Itukwenda kwira Meru uma bwa Nteto chionde na twira Meru teka wira mwangaza wena thina ke thirikari ya county oroe na thina ni muntu wetwa deputy governor yawe mheshimiwa Mutuma twethingia na bia tumatua thina ira nio turua aina thina no ntuba kwithira umuchunguzete na tuchunguzete mantu ara ikuo Mutuma na kuonania ai muthao na ai mukwa na kisiasa bora mbichie na bora tuichie ethara kikario kithaka
Hatuthi na mbere na nteto cietu na tukithie na mbere kumania na thina ya stima iria ithiritwe ikionekana ruwa weekend ngima na nkijagia kureta biashara inene muno kiri biashara riu gikundi kimwe na rietwa Operation Linda Ugatuzi nigikuria ucunkuni withirwe ukiruthika igururia ontu uyu na nkuruki mariuga ni makwenda mauntu matano mabingwa ni urungamiri wa kibaro kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta nontu bwa ontu wa uyu.
We have brought a letter of demand to the MD of Kenya Airports Authority demanding information because we don't believe that the information we are being given is true. We've asked that how comes generators fail at the airport? It's impossible because even a kinyozi where I went, even a small shop, even a restaurant has standing generator that works 24/7. So outage is not going to be taken kindly. We have demanded that we are given how many planes landed, where are the manifest, what are the passenger planes, the cargo planes, what was being smuggled in the country that airports had to be closed. So we're asking for this information. If they fail to give us this information, we shall go to court so that the court can demand, High Court can demand that they give us the information that what were they smuggling in the country that happened. So we don't accept what they are saying. We need good explanation.
Twakuratira Nteto na njira y'inkinyaniru wona cia kinya thaa 1:30 kiogoro niyo mbitagwa Christine Wanjeru nkwendere muthenya omwega.